The 2025 Lexus RZ 300e is a luxury electric SUV that enters the market with a mixed bag of strengths and weaknesses. While it showcases Lexus' signature refinement and a comfortable ride, its performance and practicality fall short of expectations. What we like, asterisk. Asterisk luxurious interior asterisk the RZ's cabin is a testament to Lexus craftsmanship. High-quality materials, comfortable seats, and a user-friendly infotainment system create a truly premium environment. Asterisk smooth and quiet ride asterisk the RZ glides over imperfections in the road, providing a serene and luxurious driving experience. Asterisk refined handling asterisk despite its SUV stature, the RZ exhibits surprising agility and responsiveness in corners. What we don't like, asterisk. Asterisk limited range asterisk the RZ's EPA estimated range falls short of many competitors, potentially limiting its practicality for longer trips. Real-world range may be even lower, depending on driving conditions. Asterisk slow charging speeds asterisk the RZ's DC fast charging speed is notably slower than rivals, significantly increasing charging times. Asterisk lackluster acceleration asterisk while smooth, the RZ's acceleration isn't as brisk as expected from an electric vehicle. Asterisk small cargo space asterisk the RZ's cargo area is relatively small compared to other luxury SUVs, limiting its practicality for hauling larger items. Asterisk steer-by-wire system. Optional, the optional steer-by-wire system, while innovative, may feel unnatural and unsettling for some drivers. Overall, asterisk. The 2025 Lexus RZ 300e is a stylish and comfortable SUV that offers a taste of luxury. However, its limited range, slow charging, and underwhelming performance may deter many potential buyers. If you prioritize a refined driving experience and a luxurious interior within a limited range, the RZ could be an option. However, those seeking a truly competitive electric SUV may want to explore other options.